bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìdí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesota. Our father, late musician, Chief Abat Ogunde, he sang one song. He said, yo, 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 Yorùbá ronú wò. Yo, 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 Yorùbá ronú wò. Another musician, he sang song, King Senati. He said, àwa ògo sùúrù la ní, àwa ògo sùúrù la ní, àwa ògo sùúrù la ní, sùúrù wo ní di ṣùṣù. Today, this is the program you are watching, is Kini Show Television. Kini Show lówelówe là ń lùlù àgídìgbò, ọlọ́gbọ́n ló ń ju ọmọ ló mà díẹ̀. Kini Show Television, you will see my phone number. This is a WhatsApp number you will see. It's on the screen. This program, Kini Show Television, WhatsApp only. We don't receive calls on this channel. We don't. But if you watch my sister station, Baba Oloyin Original Television, you see the phone number there. You can call me on that line. Today, I want to tell you how you can use bitter leaf. I have taught you how you can use it to do your cream, how you can use it to do your perfume. Some people, they be telling you, they call you. I have brothers and sisters in overseas country. They're supposed to help me. My brother is a senator. I am a sister to one governor, but they don't help me. They will not help you once there's hatred in your body. So there are some people, when you visit them, they promise to give you money, to rent house, to buy a car, to do many things. You want to do wedding ceremony, they have told you, they have promised you, but when you reach the house, hatred will show in your forehead. Yes, once hatred is here, those who promise to give you 50,000 will give you 5,000. You have a brother, you have a sister who God has blessed, either in Nigeria or in overseas country. When you call them, they don't pick your calls again. It's hatred in your body. You can use this bitter leaf. It's in the book, only as a medicine. I put it here. I put it here. But the one for this one, I want to teach you today is how you can do it with soap. Any soap of your choice. You can use blender to blend this leaf. This is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. You blend it. If you have mortar, although you can pound it, mix it with local soap. Mix it with black soap. If you are fond of using Oyinbo soap, you can cut that white soap, cut it into pieces. Use pour hot water on top of it. It will melt within 30 minutes. Remove the water. The pounded one of this bitter leaf, mix it with the soap. Take your bath with it every morning. That hatred in your body will be removed totally. How you can use that of perfume? I have taught you on my YouTube. I taught you in Yoruba fashion. I taught you in English fashion. Though some people has reposted. I don't care about that one. anymore. So this one, since I've warned them, I hope they will not copy again, because I can watch their programs. They don't tamper with this book again, and I don't talk again about it. But this thing that I'm teaching you today is in only as a medicine book. Somebody call me. How many soap can they get in the house? You can get 20 different only packets. This plastic. You put them different plastic. You can get 10. You will know which one is working. The one you use on Monday, when you go to your shop, you know how market it is. When you use another one Tuesday, you know what it is. One on Thursday, you will know. So you can get 10 different soaps in your bedroom. If it is in a room, self-contained, or where there's no sufficient time for you to have your own private bedroom, you can put it in a bag. Then you will note it. This is the one I use every Monday. This one I use on Tuesday. This one I use on Thursday. If you tell about following Resinio, it is where you put your God, you meet your God. If everybody is kind, country sad, you are shouting like that, you don't take care of yourself. Then you continue shouting. See, these rules. I told you it's working. It's in African Power Book. This thing can reduce your sugar level. You have diabetes. If you don't take care of it, it may affect you later. You have too much sugar in your body. When you are sick, you have to knock your leg with a stone. The heel will not heal in time. It will not heal in time. Then maybe they will amputate your leg. I don't pray for that for you. I don't pray for myself. Prevention is better than cure. We can use the same route for rheumatism and arthritis, but I only mention diabetes in the book. But I'm telling you authoritatively that these routes can cure arthritis and rheumatism. If a girl, you always cry whenever you want to do your monthly period, this rules is for you. All these books, they are online. They are online. Only as a medicine, the one I told you about Vitaleaf is here. How you can use it for perfume, or you put it in your cream, it's inside this book. But I'm telling you that you can use it with soap this morning. How to use it for soap is in this book. This is on Abayo Fosore. The solution to human problems is in this book. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. Those who get staphylococcus, they have low sperm count. Kneel. How to cure is in this book. This is African Power. African Power. Yes, this is the latest book. This book has been selling very well. Those of you that are giving me money, because of this food, or because of this food, because of this book, in fact, you are giving me food on it. Yes, some people will just call me, Baba. I tried some of the things in this book, and it's working. Take this for your food. Take this for your meal. You can get them online. That is, we can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. We can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But if you are within Nigeria, we can post the book to you. Once you can pay for courier service, you used to send it to one popular courier service. Within 2 days, you get your book. If it is within Lagos, second day you get your book. If it is outside the state, like you are going to the East as usual, 3rd or 4th day, we send the book to you. Don't forget the program you are watching is Kenny Show. Kenny Show Television. So as you are watching this program, please don't forget to watch my other station, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. You meet me there. You know how many subscribers I've got on that station. Then you see how many people are watching that program every day. Don't forget, my telephone number is on the screen. Kenny Show Television. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.